مرحبا Miss JJ's awesome 8th grade students. كيف حالكم؟ بخير. شكرا because you tuned in to watch this new lesson. Boys and girls, this week we are going to talk about the connection to our expedition, to your 8th grade STEM expedition. And for me, it's going to be very exciting because we will be talking about a couple of new futuristic cities in the Arab countries. The first one is called Neom, and the second one is called Masdar. Boys and girls, we will let you know what I'm talking about in the next slides. هيا نبدأ. So boys and girls, here we have the learning targets. I can learn about Masdar city and its location. I can learn how water technology transportation are going to be used in the future. And I can discuss what kind of careers are going to be in demand in the future. So these cities that we are going to look at are in the Arab countries. So let's start with the first one is called the Masdar city. So boys and girls, this week during our connection to the expedition, to the STEM expedition, we will be watching videos about those futuristic cities, and you guys will be discussing amongst yourselves, taking notes, sharing your thoughts, and then at the end you will have to make a project. All right, so the first one is Masdar city. You will see me going fast like on these slides. It's because many of them are videos or activities. So this first activity this week, you are going to be grouped in two groups, Group A and Group B. And each group is going to have his own set of slides. So you will have to write about the location, transportation, construction material, landscape, water management, and energy management. Okay? You will find the information in these different set of slides, and you will be writing them in your journal. Okay? I am not going to spoil the surprise to what you are going to be looking at by opening the documents and the videos. However, everything is going to be on Google Classroom for you to review or for you to watch at your own pace, and of course on parent-facing documents. So midweek we will start comparing both futuristic cities, the Neom and the Masdar. Okay, this is another slide of this learning targets, and you will be answering few questions about it. We have a document, a beautiful document ready for you. I am going just to show you here a little bit the document that you are going to be filling out, and while you are filling it out, you are, of course, learning, right, boys and girls? And what do I have here? This talks more about the Neom city. Those are the keywords that I would like for you to learn for this lesson. Medina is city. ذكية smart. الخط is the line. المستقبل is the future. ماء is water. المواصلات is transportation. الحياة is life. الطاقة is energy. So we will be using these main keywords in discussing both smart cities, NEOM, and Masdar. And this is also another video and activities waiting for you to enjoy, fill out, and learn. So what do we know about NEOM? I really don't want to do it here in the recording and spoil it for you, because I know some of you will watch the video before class begins, but let's do it anyway. Maybe it's a good thing. I am with the idea of reading a chapter or watching a documentary about before we start the lesson in class. That will give you a better way to understand it, and you will understand it in a different way, and you will have your own questions prior to the live class. So what do we already know about NEOM? Saudi Arabia is building this mega city called NEOM, deep in the desert bordering Al-Bahr Al-Ahmar, the Red Sea. Saudi Arabia pledged $500 billion to make it happen. Blueprints obtained by the Wall Street Journal details wild plans for artificial rain, a fake moon, robotic maids, and holographic teachers. Wow. They also, the vision for 2030 is to have an ambition plan to revolutionize Saudi society, reduce dependence on oil, because we all know Saudi Arabia, number one market, is oil. So they would like to reduce it. Maybe their oil is about to be not gone. Maybe their oil is being reduced by the years, and then to make the country a technology hub. NEOM is supposed to draw a cloud seeding technology to make artificial clouds, which will produce more rain possible in the desert. All right. And another idea is a Jurassic Park-like island for tourists with robotic dinosaurs. We talked about the giant moon. People will get about using flying taxis. This is what they're pledging. And they say that the city is one of the most prominent e-gaming hubs. Not bad, boys and girls, huh? Not bad. Look, these are the flying taxis. All right. So, part of your professions, jobs and profession unit, we will be talking also what kind of jobs will be in demand later on in few years, especially in this NEOM and Masdar city. All right, as you can see, I am changing slides pretty fast because these are all videos that we will be watching in class. But as a reminder, I will post them for you on Google Classroom and also on parent-faced document. Okay, this one talks about technology in food tech at NEOM. Look how they are trying to plant these herbs, in a technological way. Very interesting. All right, boys and girls. So I can't wait to see you in class, and I cannot wait for all of us to start this new adventurous lesson about Neom City and Masdar City. All right, shukran for listening. Wa ma'as-salama. This last slide says this is not the end, this is just the beginning, and it starts with you. You will make the change. أنت المستقبل. المستقبل أنت. Your future is now. All right, boys and girls, shukran. مع السلامة.